And check out the view from the CTV Skywatch camera. About an hour ago, looking north on 13th Street North, a little cloud cover there, and that's what we have still. Mostly cloudy skies right now. 3 degrees where we're at right now. -1 was our low at 6 a.m. this morning, and we hit 5 degrees right around the noon hour, and we hit some pretty brisk winds off and on throughout the day as well. Temperatures all over southern Alberta reflecting that flow that we had from the low pressure center on the BC coast that will be eventually affecting us as we head into Sunday. Jackie and I talked about that shower possibility, but there are some cooler temperatures up north. We do have a trough of low pressure that's skimming out of the Northwest Territories and the Yukon area, skimming down into northern Alberta, northern Saskatchewan. So we do have potential for some pockets of precipitation there, but it's this low pressure center. The rotation around it is kicking in that warmer air mass and some precipitation. Vancouver, 7 days of rain expected. Yay, I bet people in Vancouver are really excited about that. No sunshine in their forecast for the next few days there. But here on this side of the Continental Divide, we'll see some sunshine as well. And then, as I said, closer into Sunday, we'll see that precipitation sink a little lower. We had a nice area of high pressure that was dominating our weather for much of the day yesterday and most of today. We're already starting to see that area of high pressure shrink to the south. And so that's going to allow for that skipping across of that precipitation pocket as we get into Sunday. And we'll see variable amounts of clouds in advance of that as well. So just be aware of that, tomorrow we have a fairly sunny day, mainly sunny, but as we get into Sunday, we're going to be seeing that cloud cover and that chance of precipitation. Down east, precipitation is the name of the game for the next several days. Massive low pressure center that's very far reaching, rotating around eastern Canada. Snow squall warnings up for the Nickel Belt, parts of southern Quebec as well, and along the mouth of the St. Lawrence, and all that mixture of rain and snow and strong winds making its way eastward as that the system is slowing down, so it's kind of churning as it moves east. -9 in Winnipeg, -11 and -8. Regina and Saskatoon, -4, and fair amount of sunshine today in Edmonton. -2 in Kelowna, as I said, damp on the coast in Vancouver. And up north, -10 degrees in Whitehorse. They had a sun and cloud mix there today. Sun and cloud in Yellowknife as well, but -25 with the wind chill, -33 degrees there. So it's always worse somewhere else. East Kootenay, you're looking at mainly cloudy skies tonight, down to -12, -6 for a high tomorrow. Cloudy, winds will be out of the west in the afternoon hours at about 20 kilometers per hour. Crow's Nest Pass, clear tonight, down to -5. Windy tonight and again tomorrow. You have a daytime high tomorrow of -2 degrees with a sun and cloud mix for the bulk of the day. A little heavier at times with the cloud cover as that area of high pressure sinks further to the south. Medicine Hat, clear tonight, sunny tomorrow, -3 for a daytime high. West winds at about 20 kilometers per hour in the afternoon, and here in Lethbridge we'll get down to about -7 degrees overnight tonight. We'll have clear skies, west winds at 30 kilometers per hour tonight, out of the southwest at 30 tomorrow, mainly sunny tomorrow, and a high of 0. Here's your 5-day forecast. As we head into Sunday, as I said, it looks like a whole lot of rain, but it's 30% chance of that shower activity. And then temperature's not doing too bad. Average for us for this time of year is -2, so we're not too far off the mark. As we head into Wednesday, we start to see a little bit of cloud cover digging in, and then Thursday is the day where it looks like we'll be in the minus values for daytime highs, and that chance of precipitation in the form of flurry activity. Now, our CTV citizen salute, Daryl's saluting at the side of the camera right there. We want to congratulate Tomias. Tomias has been doing wood carvings, and he's been donating them to children's charities, and he's been doing it at Christmas time because he does it all year round and then donates at Christmas, but he's been doing it for 25 years, so I think that deserves a basket with lots of chocolate, and that's what he's getting. That's it for me. Have a safe weekend, everyone. Come out to McKillop tomorrow at 2 p.m. Should be a lot of fun. Talk to you on Monday.
A recent online survey shows the number of Canadians attached to their cell phone is on the rise. The term coined nomophobia. It's a feeling of stress when one is without their phone.
Hello?
The report by Rogers Communications shows 65% of Canadians feel naked without their smartphone and internet access. Since the study was done last year, the number of people sleeping with their cell phone has increased, as well as the number of people taking their phones to the bathroom. A reason for the surge is because most people rely on their cell phones for more than just talking, especially with internet access much more highly efficient. The cell phones essentially act as small computers.
It's about necessity, and then everything that I do, they seem to be adding an app to the phone that can do it. So whereas I used to rely on a computer at home, Now I can do a lot of the stuff that I typically would have to do at home, I can do on the phone.
There is a psychological connection as well. Humans are creatures of habit, and having a phone around often becomes a learned behavior or a repeated behavior. I have to say, Heath, though, this summer I was at a lake in Manitoba without any cell service. Went through a day of a little withdrawal, but then was just relieved. It was so nice not to be tied to the phone.
And remember the old days when they just couldn't get a hold of you when you were out and about?
What did people do?
Answering machines.
Oh!
We ignored them on answering machines, not just not answering our cell phones.
That's true. We're going to talk Hurricanes hockey next.
Yes, they played last night against the top team in the Eastern Conference, the Edmonton Oil Kings. We'll have those highlights and much more coming up next in sports. Stay with us.